Hello everyone, happy Thursday. You want to say hi? Okay.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, yeah, go wash your hands. Okay, we are back with a Thanksgiving Kids in the Kitchen with, what's your name? Dean and Harrison, who's going to go wash his hands. Go ahead, go wash your hands again. So, all week we have been talking about Thanksgiving sides, and so I wanted to show you this super easy and healthy recipe for cornbread muffins. Dean, do you like cornbread muffins? You do? Well, that's great because the ones we're going to make today are literally so easy. The kids are going to help me make it, and they're also gluten-free and sugar-free. So, what's not to love? Yay! Say hi if you're watching us live or if you're watching the replay, hashtag replay. We'd love to see you there. Hey, Tanta Leah is there. Say hi, Tanta Leah.
Hi, Tanta Leah.
Yes, so awesome. Okay, so for our cornbread muffins, we are going to start off with a cup and a quarter of milk. Now, if you have buttermilk, then you can totally use that. I do not have buttermilk right now, so we are going to make our own buttermilk. And the way that we're going to do that is we have our milk right here, and we're going to add in some apple cider vinegar. So Tanta Leah says, yummy, go Treppings! Yay! Okay, so we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar right into this milk that's in the measuring cup. And we're going to let it sit there for a few more minutes while we continue to make the cornbread muffins. And this is just a really quick and easy way to make your own buttermilk when you don't happen to have it in your home, like me. But it's going to work fantastically. It's going to be so great. Okay, now we've got the wet ingredients going, so we need to do the dry ingredients in our large bowl right here. So Dean's going to help me add the dry ingredients in. We are going to start off with 1 cup of cornmeal. This is just yellow cornmeal. Yep, put it in bed, all of it. There you go. Nice. Okay, so we got to have cornmeal because it is cornbread muffins. And now we're going to add in a cup of gluten-free flour. So my favorite gluten-free flour is Bob's Red Mill. I'm not sponsored by them at all. Although I've tried, just kidding. Also, anyone out there that knows them, please let me know. But it's the best because it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Whoopsie. 1-to-1 ratio for normal or all-purpose flour. And then Dean just added in a 1/4 cup of monk fruit sweetener. And that makes this recipe both gluten-free and sugar-free. So we're using monk fruit sweetener, which is a natural sweetener that comes from a fruit called the monk fruit because it was found by monks. And it is so great because not only is it 0 calorie, but also it has been shown to help to stabilize our blood sugar, which is so great. When we have a stabilized blood sugar, we don't have those like huge peaks where we feel like super energetic and frazzled and crazy. We're running around like the kids do after they have a bunch of Halloween candy. But then also we don't experience that really low dip after we've eaten a bunch of sugar, which is when you usually feel like really tired and lethargic and you're like, oh, I don't want to do anything. So we won't get that because we are using monk fruit sweetener in this particular dish. So great job, Dean. He's just mixing all of the ingredients together, and that's what we want to do with these dry ingredients. Perfect, bud. Now we're also going to add in a couple more things. So we're going to add in Harrison's back. Yay! Hi, Harrison. Okay, let's let Harrison have a turn.
No.
Oh dear.
Shoot.
It's okay.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Thank you, Dean. So we're going to add in a teaspoon
Ah!
of baking powder if we don't fall over. There we go. Very good.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, so this is a 1/2 teaspoon measure. So do 1. We're going to do 1 more of this. Okay, put it in.
Mama, why do you scrape it?
Oh, yes. We scrape the top so that we make sure we get exactly 1/2 teaspoon. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, and now we're going to add in some baking soda. So we're going to add in...
Baking soda?
Yeah, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So pop that in.
I want to smell it.
Oh, no, it's okay. It doesn't really smell like anything. Okay.
It smells normal.
It smells normal. There you go. What we always want to hear when we're cooking. Okay, can I have a turn now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. So we are just mixing together all of these dry ingredients. Say hi if we're watching. We're so happy you're here. We're making cornbread muffins. So we've got all of our dry ingredients together. Perfect. Now we're going to go back to our wet ingredients. So I'm just going to put this to the side.
I'll clean this.
Oh, it's okay. Just leave it right there.
No.
So we have our milk.
I want to pour it in.
Just a minute. We're not ready yet. I'm going to show one more thing, okay? We have our milk with our apple cider vinegar, and what we're going to do is we have 1 egg. So Harrison, will you grab a fork for me? A big fork? I'm going to crack the egg into the milk, just like that. And then we're gonna just whisk it together so that it is basically a well-combined mixture. Yeah, that's good. A well-combined mixture of the egg and the milk. Yeah. Let's see. Hi, Tara. How are you? Oh, and there you go. That's the oven. So the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the temperature we're going to cook the cornbread muffins in. And I mean, honestly, we're almost done making these cornbread muffins, which I'm very happy about. So it's completely mixed together now. What we're gonna do, just a sec, bud, look. What we'll do is we'll make a well in the center of our dry ingredients, and then Dean will pour in this whole mixture. You ready? Go ahead, pour it in. Woohoo!
Milky. That's egg and milk.
That's right, bud.
Now let's stir it.
Yep, we're gonna stir it.
First it's Tina, then me, then Mama.
Okay, there you go. That's how we'll do it. So Dean's gonna help us mix this together. And since we are using a gluten-free flour, what we wanna do is just really carefully mix it together, but not over-mix it. Otherwise, we end up with kind of a gummy consistency.
Gummy?
Yeah, that would be bad. So Tara said, doing good and love making muffins with kiddos. Definitely an easy and fun dessert. Yes, I love it. So, so good. Okay, now is it Harrison's turn?
It looks yummy.
It looks yummy. Okay, so there you go. Keep going, Harrison. Good job, bud.
A little faster.
Oh, muscles there. Awesome. Now what we're going to put this into is a greased muffin pan, just like this. I've just sprayed it with some coconut oil spray, but you can use whatever nonstick spray that you have or that you prefer. That would be perfect. Or even using those little paper muffin liners, or even those silicone ones would be awesome as well. Just whatever you have on hand. And the great thing, yes, the great thing about this recipe is you can double it if you're having people over for Thanksgiving, so that you have plenty of cornbread muffins for everyone to enjoy. But yeah, this is literally so simple. It's all mixed together now in just a few minutes. And it's just as easy as getting like one of those packages from the grocery store, and you know exactly what's in it. So you don't need to be...
You want to taste it now?
Oh no, we're not gonna taste it, bud.
I'm not tasting it. I'm scooping it.
You're scooping it. Hey, let's get a big scoop, like a muffin scoop.
Oh,
Yeah, the boys love doing this. They did this last weekend with Nana. You will. You're going to have a turn in just a second, okay? So all you're going to do is just transfer it over. Yep, put it right in the middle there. Good job. This is going to make about 8 to 10 muffins, depending on the size, of course. And then you just need to bake it for about, that's good, bud. Do another one. You're going to bake it for about 13 to 15 minutes until a toothpick inserted inside comes out clean. And even maybe with a few moist crumbs attached, but we definitely want it to be fully cooked all the way through. Go ahead, pop it in. Okay, now it's gonna be Harrison's turn, okay? Okay, Harrison.
Then my turn.
Okay, hop down so that Harrison can stand right here,
Then
okay?
my turn.
Yeah, then it'll be your turn again. Oh, Tara says she loved your energy. Thank you, that's so kind. Put it right in there, bud. Yep, it's okay if it drips. There you go. So yeah, until it's fully cooked, you can keep them warm. They are best served warm with a little bit of butter or whatever you're having for Thanksgiving. And yeah, that's literally it. So good, so easy, and obviously the boys love it. So we're gonna be having these tonight with our dinner, but this is perfect for Thanksgiving. And guys, I also wanted to let you know, if you're looking for some different Thanksgiving sides to have this year,
big.
that is big. Try another one. If you're looking for some different Thanksgiving sides to try this year, I'm actually going to be hosting a virtual cooking class, which is completely free, that I'm going to be showing you 2 new Thanksgiving sides that you can make this year. And one of them is going to be a crispy Brussels sprout salad. Yep, just that's it. That's good. And then we'll do another one, okay?
My turn.
Okay, let's let it be Dean's turn next, all right?
My turn.
They are literally filling these muffin cups up to the top. Oops, are you okay? It's getting crazy over here. Okay, so one will be a crispy Brussels sprout salad, which will be so good. I love crispy Brussels sprouts. They're delicious. And then the second recipe is going to be a sweet potato Hasselback style with a horseradish cream sauce. It's going to be so good. It's going to look so fancy, but really it's super easy to make. And with a few little twists and changes, we're going to make it healthy as well. So I can't wait to see you guys there. If you'd love the link to sign up for the virtual cooking class, please let me know. And I will go ahead and send it to
My
you.
turn.
Just drop it in the comments. Okay, guys, we're gonna clean up this mess and get these cornbread muffins into the oven. But I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and we will see you again next time. Guys, you want to say bye?
Can we do one more muffin?
Yes, you can do one more. Bye, guys. Have an amazing day.